Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of Walmart to do an amazing haul today. We have a hot Swagbucks deal that we are gonna do, which is gonna be a great gift idea for men for the holidays. We are also gonna be completing our 2 Ibotta bonuses today. One bonus is the midweek harvest bonus. Mine is for $3 when you do 12 rebates. Check your account, some of them do vary. We also have a sweepstakes bonus. When you do 5 rebates, you will be entered in to possibly win $1,000. How awesome would that be for the holidays? So we have 5 freebies, moneymakers, of course, that we are gonna do. So if you're interested in seeing how you can save tons of money at your local Walmart, stay tuned. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out when I post another amazing video of ways that you can save or some giveaways. We do have giveaways going on until the end of the year on this channel as well as on my Instagram. So instead of explaining them again, I have in a couple previous videos, all the giveaways will be listed and linked below in the description box. So definitely check it out, as well as a printable breakdown for all the deals we are doing today. All the printable coupons will be linked in the breakdown and also linked in the description box. Completely free to get these coupons printed. So let's go inside and start taking advantage of some amazing deals to complete our bonuses. So our first amazing deal that's gonna be a great Christmas item for men is gonna be on these huge Armor All gift packs. This is a 10-piece gift pack. I got the same ones last year as well. I gave one to my dad, gave one to my brother. They absolutely loved it. Comes with everything that you need to keep your car looking really nice inside and out. They're $19.98. You're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. Then you're gonna submit it to Swagbucks for 2,000 Swagbucks when you buy 2 or $20 back, making in essence buy one, get one free, or about $9.98 each. You can sign up below. There is an affiliate link. So if you guys use that link, it does help support me and my channel. I do get a small commission. You can sign up. Swagbucks is completely free. Then you can use this rebate, get this amazing deal, and this can knock off another item off your Christmas list. Now we're gonna stock up on tons of laundry products, all for the free and clear and the all with the Oxy. First thing we're gonna do is grab the free and clear packs. They're $4.97. We do have a free printable coupon linked in the description box and in the printable breakdown. That'll take off $1.50. Then we're gonna submit it to Ibotta for $2 back, making our final cost $1.47. Then we're gonna grab the all original over here. That is $4.97. We have a separate $1.50 printable coupon that we can use. So we're also gonna submit this to Ibotta for $2 back, making our final cost for these pods $1.47 as well. Then we are gonna grab this all small and mighty original for $4.42. And we're gonna grab the all free and clear small and mighty, also $4.42. Then we are going to submit them to Ibotta. If you want to use the printable coupons for these instead, you can. There is also a $1.50 back from coupons.com on the all detergent, so you can use that too. That is the same as a manufacturer coupon. So if we're not using a coupon on this, we can get the coupons.com rebate. Then we're going to be submitting these to Ibotta for $2 back each. And for doing both, we're gonna get a $2 bonus, making our final cost 18 cents each for the 2 small free and clear. An easy deal you can do, no coupons needed, is on the Renews It cones. They're 97 cents each. You're gonna grab 2 of them, submit to Ibotta for 97 cents back when you buy 2, making them in essence half off at about 48 cents each. This deal is gonna be a Shopkick deal. So we're gonna grab the Fruitella Complete. This is $2.62. You can print a 50-cent coupon from their website, but every time I try to use it and scan it at Walmart, it never works. So I'm probably not gonna use that, but you can give it a shot. Then we're gonna submit it to Shopkick for 420 kicks back, which is about $1.68, making our final cost 44 cents. Another laundry deal I forgot to mention is on the Snuggle Exhilarations. This 26 pack I've never used, so let me know in the comments if you've used this. I usually just do scent beads, so I'd be curious to give this a shot. They're $3.97. You can submit this to Ibotta for $2.50 back, making your final cost $1.47, which is awesome. No coupons or anything needed on this deal. Now we have a nice moneymaker on Poise Pads. So these moderate pads are 20 count. They're $4.84. We have this $2 off one coupon from previous inserts. Will be linked below which insert. Then we are gonna pay $2.84, submit to Ibotta for $2 back, and submit to Shopkick for 755 kicks. That's about $3.02 back, making one of these packs completely free and $1.28 moneymaker, which is awesome. The other coupon you can use is this printable coupon, which will be linked below in the description box. Says it's not valid on the 14 to 26 count liners, which is okay because we're buying a 20 pack of pads, so this one will work on the deal. Now we're gonna do some great deodorant deals. So we're gonna grab 2 of the Axe dry sprays. They are $4.97 each. We have this previously printable coupon for $2.50 off of 2. Hopefully you guys got it printed. Anytime there are new printables every Sunday, definitely head over to my website, freecouponqueen.com. Go to printable coupons at the top and you can get these coupons printed. You never know when they're gonna disappear, and this one has an expiration date for Sunday, so I still have a week to be able to use it. So then we are gonna submit this to Ibotta for $2 back each, giving us back $4. And we are gonna submit this to Fetch Rewards. We got a ton of new Fetch bonuses today. I posted it on my Instagram this morning for 1,500 points back each. And you can submit with up to 5 on one receipt. So that'll give me back 3,000 points or $3. My final cost is gonna wind up being 44 cents for both or 22 cents each. And if you're new to any of these rebate apps, all of the referral links will be listed below in the description box for Swagbucks, Shopkick, Ibotta, and Fetch Rewards. Now let's get some Dove deodorant. We're gonna grab one of the Dove women's, that's $5.94, and we're gonna grab one of the Dove men's at $5.94. We do have, again, a previously printable coupon for $2.50 off of 2. We're then gonna submit the women's to Ibotta for $2 back, and we're gonna submit the men's to Ibotta for $2 back as well. That'll give us $4. We're also gonna submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards. We have another bonus of 1,500 points each. Both of them should work on the same bonus. That'll give us another $3 back. Our final costs for these guys are gonna be $1.19 each. Our last deodorant deal is gonna be on Secret. So if you prefer this, this will be another great deal. They are $4.97. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these. Then we're gonna submit it to Ibotta for $5 back when you buy 3. You have to buy 3 to be able to get that rebate. We're also gonna submit it to coupons.com for $5 back when you buy 3, making our final cost $1.63 each. Another great Shopkick bundle you can do is gonna be on the Dove Cream Oil Body Lotion, which I've actually not tried yet. I did this deal last week and it reset on my Shopkick account, so we are gonna do it again. We're gonna grab one of these at $5.97. There is a $2 printable coupon linked below in the description box for you. And we're gonna grab one of these Suave Advanced Therapy. There is a $1 printable coupon as well. Then for buying both of them, we are gonna submit to Shopkick for 1,025 kicks back, which is about $4.10, making our final cost for these about $1.20 each, which is a great, great price. Here's a great moneymaker deal on Neutrogena, and this can be something if you want to add in a beauty basket for the holidays. So this little guy is never priced in this store. I don't know why, but it's $5.82. I have this previous hang tag, which is for $3 off of 1. Then we're gonna submit this to Ibotta for $3 back on Healthy Skin Cosmetics, making our final cost free and a 16-cent moneymaker. Anytime you see hang tags, always grab them because they always have super long expiration dates. This one doesn't expire until August of next year, so always keep a lookout when you're at your local Walmart. Here's another Shopkick deal, and there's two ways to do this deal. One is you can grab one of these single frosted flakes. They're 97 cents. Submit to Shopkick for 320 kicks back, which is $1.28, making it free and a 30-cent moneymaker. The other way you could do that deal is grabbing this one. It's a better value in my opinion. It's $2.32. You can also submit this to Ibotta for 45 cents back. So if you're needing another rebate, definitely do it this way. You can still submit it to Shopkick for the $1.28 back, making your final cost for a large box instead of just a small cup. This guy is gonna be 59 cents. So however you wanna do it, totally up to you. So this deal, we have to switch up a little bit. I posted it on my Instagram. They don't have the plant butter tubs. They only have the regular country crock, or they have the plant butter sticks, but this doesn't work with the Ibotta rebate. So what you could do if you wanna grab, like this is the only one they have left of the 15 ounce, there is a 50-cent rebate that you can get. So grabbing two of these would bring you to $3.98. The 50-cent rebate each would bring you to $2.98 for both. Then you can submit to checkout 51 for $1 back and fetch rewards for $1 back when you buy two, making it 48 cents each. This deal I got from the Ohio Valley couponer. He did it in his Walmart haul, and I thought it was a great deal, so I'm gonna do it as well. You can grab one of these Fruitella soft gummies. They're $2.28. Submit it to Shopkick. When you scan it in store, you get 30 kicks, so make sure you do that on the app. And then when you purchase it, you get another 500 kicks. That equals $2.12 back, making one of these just 16 cents. Another deal you can do is they have a new Dollar Shave Club display. If you grab this one right here, it has to be the 6-blade with the shave butter. It is $14.88. You can submit it to Shopkick for 1,270 kicks back, which is about $5.08. That'll make this guy like $9.88, which is not a bad deal. It could be a nice little Christmas gift or stocking stuffer as well. A few more easy deals that you can do is gonna be on Mountain Dew and Pepsi. They're $1.88 at my Walmart. You can submit the Mountain Dew to Ibotta for $1 back, and you can submit the Pepsi to Ibotta separately for $1 back. That'll make them 88 cents each and give you 2 more rebates towards your bonuses. So this is everything rung up. Now we are going to take our coupons and we're gonna scan it just like we're scanning an item. If it works, it'll show $1 off, and it did. When you're done, you're gonna put them right here where it says coupons in. So let's finish up and go over our final totals in the truck. Okay, so we're back in from Walmart. Everything went great. I had no issues at checkout when I scanned all of the coupons for the haul that we just did. So excited with all the items we got, especially all the laundry products. That's enough laundry products to last a family of 4, like 3 or 4 months or something, I feel like. We have fabric softener, we have the packs, we have the detergent. Super excited about that. So I wanna go over my receipt with you guys. Not that there's anything super special on it. Typically my Walmart receipts aren't that exciting. It's the CVS and the Walgreens ones to see what coupons came off and what didn't. All of these coupons worked though. I didn't have any issues. They all rang up for the correct price, if you wanna kinda look. So our total was $106 worth of products. Then after all the coupons came off, it was down to $79 plus taxes. Submitted our receipts to Ibotta, got back $36.57. Then we're gonna get back a $3 bonus for the midweek harvest, a $2 bonus for doing the 2 different all rebates. We're also going to be entered in this sweepstakes bonus, which is awesome, for a chance to win $1,000. Then submitted our receipt to checkout 51, got $1 back. Submitted my receipt to Shopkick, takes about 48 hours. Typically I get the notification within a day, just depends on how busy they are. Submitted it for about 3,100 kicks, which will be about $12.40 back. I didn't wind up doing the Swagbucks deal, but Oh, submitted it to coupons.com as well for the $5 back for the 3 secret. It wound up scanning and working, so that should give me $5 back immediately. Another good thing is, with Ibotta, you have to reach $20 to be able to cash out. We're way over $20. We should be getting back like $41 worth or something. So the second it hits your account, you can cash out. So you're immediately gonna be getting your cash back for everything we got in this haul today, which is awesome. So final cost, if I'm not missing anything, I feel like I'm missing something. And I did forget, we submitted our receipt to Fetch Rewards, got back. So now our final cost is about $14.50 for $100 worth of products today, which is amazing. That makes our final cost like 60 cents per item. Imagine getting laundry products for 60 cents. That is so, so exciting. We used a couple coupons. Mostly all of them were printable coupons. So again, link below for all the referral codes. You can also go to my website, BrieCouponQueen.com. There is a tab at the top, Rebate Apps. Tons of information. There's a video on how to use Fetch Rewards, how to use Ibotta is on there as well. How to use Swagbucks, I believe, is on there as well. So you can check that out. You can get printable coupons. There is a newbie start here tab. Tons of information on how to start couponing if you're new and you want to learn how you can save thousands of dollars each year. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of the family. And be sure to enter in all of my giveaways. The giveaway on my Instagram, I'm choosing the winner tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So stay tuned on my Instagram, see if you are the lucky winners. You still have about 24 hours to enter that one. Of course, we are gonna be doing more and more giveaways each week. One on my YouTube and one on my Instagram every week. So I'm really excited about that. Without you guys, I would not be where I am. We hit 26,000 subscribers this week, which is amazing. And we just hit 6,000th on my Instagram. So we can only go up from here. I'm super excited about that. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. If you enjoyed these deals, smash that like button for me, and I will see you next time.